Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below and check out my social media. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So there's nothing wrong with natural beauty and just having a really natural, fresh face. But for today, we are going to do the complete opposite of that. Basically how I look every single day. T-shirt, bun, baby hairs. Yeah, so let's get started. So first thing I always do is I do my eyebrows. I always use the e.l.f. eyebrow kit in dark. I do have pretty good eyebrows, but I really like filling them in and making them just look a little better, you know. So what I do is I take this dark pomade, and that's what I actually fill my eyebrows in. I never ever use the powder that comes with it. I just think it's a little bit too light for me, so I don't use it. And then I always use the Anastasia brush in number 12 for my eyebrows. So I start by filling in the tail of my brow. I go under and then do my tail and just kind of fill everything in. And then basically whatever I have like right here, like whatever I underlined, I just take my brush and I brush it upwards and it just fills in the front of my brow. Then I take the Anastasia brow definer in Ebony. I really don't like doing my eyebrows with this, like just this. I don't like using it, but I like filling my tail in with this because it's pretty dark and matte rather than the pomade, which isn't that pigmented. I like using this. That's right, and I'll be tripping at Vanessa. Now I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I carve out my eyebrows. I like going in with Fit Me because it's a little bit easier to work with rather than the Tarte Shape Tape. It's a little bit like unforgiving, so I go in with Maybelline. And I use this e.l.f. professional eyeliner brush.
Times and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo.
Okay, so we're not having a good eyebrow day today. This eyebrow is just not good, alright? It is playing me. So I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to prime my eyelids. Then I'm just going to take some translucent setting powder and just set my eyelids. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. First shade I'm going to take is this light orangey yellow. Using a Morphe R37, I'm going to apply this into my crease using this as my transition shade. Oh my gosh. I'm going to take these two shades. Using a Morphe M433, I'm going to apply this into my crease and also applying it to my outer and inner corner. I'm going to be doing a spotlight eye or a halo, so I want the inner and outer corner to have darkness in them. A really big trick for me with my eyeshadow making my eyes look bigger is I go, like I put, instead of just like keeping my eyeshadow like really close in, I like dragging it out more. So I'll put my brush to like the corner of my eye and just blend this way, bring it back into my crease, and then with that same brush I use my transition shade with, I just go back in and blend out the edges, but really make sure to like drag it out this way. Now I'm going to go into this really chocolatey brown shade. Using a Morphe M514, I'm going to apply this into my inner and outer corner. I'm using circular motions and making sure to keep it really low into my crease. Now I'm going to take more Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to apply it right to the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take this light gold shade and apply it all over the concealer. Then I'm going to go back into that same chocolate brown and just start blending out the edges. For primer, I'm going to use the IT Cosmetics by Pores. For foundation today, I'm going to mix two foundations. I'm going to mix the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. In Estee Lauder, I'm Desert Beige, and then for L'Oreal, I'm 204. So I just dot Double Wear all over my face. I feel like Double Wear is pretty thick for me, and it just doesn't look that great on my skin. And then I just dot a couple of dots of the L'Oreal around my face. And then I'm just going to blend it in with my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and my Kylie Skin Concealer in light medium and bone. And then to set my concealer, I'm going to use a Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to use my Morphe 530 brush. There's like a patch right there. Girl. Then I'm just going to contour my face using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to take this medium shade. There's something very bad going on right now. Something super bad right now. That has never happened to me before. Never. And I don't know what to do. What do I do? What do I do? For highlight, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Desi x Katie Fuego highlighter. For lips, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick in Bombshell and the Fenty Balm Gloss. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone.